The world is facing a crisis that threatens the very survival of our planet. We are talking about the environmental issues that are threatening our natural world. Today, we will discuss the most pressing environmental problems the world is facing and what we can do to tackle them. The first issue we need to address is air pollution. Air pollution is a global problem that affects millions of people every day. It is caused by industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust, and burning fossil fuels. The health effects of air pollution are well documented, with respiratory illnesses, heart disease, and even cancer being linked to prolonged exposure. But what can we do to tackle air pollution? The answer lies in green energy. By transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower, we can significantly reduce our carbon emissions and improve the air quality. Governments and corporations need to invest in green energy solutions to make this transition a reality. Another major environmental issue we are facing is deforestation. Every year, vast swaths of forests are cut down to make way for agriculture, mining, and urban development. Deforestation not only destroys natural habitats but also contributes to climate change by releasing carbon into the atmosphere. So what can we do to stop deforestation? The solution is reforestation. By planting trees and restoring degraded forests, we can absorb carbon from the atmosphere, improve air and water quality, and provide habitat for wildlife. Governments and corporations must make a commitment to reforestation and prioritize this issue in their policies. The third environmental issue we must address is plastic waste. Plastic waste is a huge problem that affects our oceans, our wildlife, and our health. Plastic waste is often not biodegradable and can take hundreds of years to decompose. This means that plastic waste can accumulate in our environment for centuries, causing damage to ecosystems and wildlife. So what can we do to reduce plastic waste? The solution is recycling. By recycling plastic waste, we can reduce the amount of waste that ends up in landfills and oceans. We can also reduce our carbon